Hey, what's up everybody? This is me and you are watching Senior Artist Art Tutorial. So basically I am using just a mechanical pencil, clay eraser and normal eraser with homemade blending stumps and some HB pencils. So the basic shape of the ear I am drawing here so you can get some idea how it just look like. So first of all I just draw a line and a oval that is more shifted towards your right side. Now draw a bump shape and an arc and then double the outline of the ear pinna. Now draw the Y-shape like structure inside ear as shown in the video. Now I am just taking a random reference photo to show how to shade it realistically. So first the major step is to draw the outlines perfectly that I am doing by observing and just using the basic shapes that you have seen earlier in the video. If you like the tutorial, then make sure that you hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for my recent updates. I am starting with 2B pencil to do layer by layer. So I have taken the lightest shade and doing the darker parts as shown in the reference photo. I suggest you to shade layer by layer. Now I am making it smoother to get better look. Now just grab your 4B pencil and shade the darker parts to give it a depth. Now I am blending it again to make it more smoother. Now I am shading according to the reference photo and giving it a realistic look. The darker parts I have shaded more darker using till 8B pencil, and to shade lighter part I have used 2B pencil. And to draw outside the ear, I have used 10B pencils for the hair as given in the reference you can see. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.